Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we are doing something really cool. We're making one of my favorite recipes, beef chapli kebab. This recipe I've made for thousands of my clients for my catering company. It is an awesome and a simple recipe, and most importantly, it is very easy to duplicate. It is a crowd pleaser, and without any further ado, let's get this awesome recipe started, Basant style. I'm gonna go over the basic ingredients with you guys really quick. As usual, I'm gonna have everything in the description box. For dry ingredients, we have Ajwan, coriander powder, red chili flakes, black zira, salt, and green chilies. I'm using 3 medium-sized onions. We're gonna use 4 Roma tomatoes, cilantro. I'm gonna use about 5 pounds of 80-20 meat. When you go to the butcher, tell them to do the ratio. You need about 20% fat versus meat ratio so they can bind really good. We're gonna use eggs, lemon lime for garnish. We're gonna use basin or gram flour and garlic ginger paste. So here it is. We have basic, simple ingredients in. I'm gonna show you a few cool tricks, and I'm gonna make these awesome kebabs that I love eating. I'm gonna start off with half cup of gram flour. Do 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon red chili, 1 tablespoon red chili flakes, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon cumin, 1 teaspoon ajwan, 2 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. For green masala, I'm gonna give it a rough chop. I'm gonna put the onions, cilantro, and green chilies. I'm gonna give it a rough chop in the food processor. I'm gonna get the green masala in the cloth, and we're gonna wring it. I don't want any liquids in my masala, because masala and liquids, they just don't go good. It's gonna make it loose, but when masala is nice and tight and it has no liquids, you'll see the difference. And this, you see this? If you have this in your masala, it will never ever be tight. It'll be loose, your stuff. Now we're gonna add this. And the liquid from this, you throw it out. Before we add tomatoes to it, which I'm gonna show a really cool trick with, I want you to see how dry this is. So it has no liquids in it, so your masala is gonna still stay tight. You see, when it infuses, the kebabs are gonna stay tight. The most important part. So for the tomatoes, I'm gonna show you a really cool trick. Again, the premise is no extra liquids in your masala. So we're gonna cut the tops and bottoms, and I'm gonna show you how to core them. Take your knife and take the insides out. This is all extra liquid. There's no value. You don't need it. This is what you want. I'm gonna add tomatoes. I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Take all the shells out. In this, guys, if you wanna come see, the one seasoning that's very visibly missing is Anar or pomegranate seeds. I'm not a fan of it. I've never liked the flavor. I never like the chalky thing that gets stuck in your teeth. So I skip it. It's an optional seasoning. If you guys like it, go ahead. You can use the ground version, or you can use actual seeds. I'm gonna put in the description how many to use, but me personally, I'm gonna bypass it. Now we're gonna give it a good mix. Yeah, you can tell the integrity of the beef is nice and tight. If that's what you want, because then your kebabs are not gonna fall apart. And that's the consistency you're looking for, because you don't have any added liquids in it. So what it is green masala and the seasoning that is gonna take on, and you can tell by the smell of the seasoning, it's gonna be awesome. Mix is ready. I want you to see how beautiful the colors look in it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for about a half hour, and then we're gonna start making the kebabs. This is ready. Wow, it's nice and tight. We let it rest in the refrigerator for about a half hour. You could leave it overnight. Now we're gonna start making our kebabs. In a large skillet, I have about half a cup of oil heating. I'm gonna get the oil really hot. I want the outside of the kebabs to sear right away, so we get that crunchy, fried consistency to it. Especially chapli kebabs, I like big chapli kebabs. I'm not a big fan of small, dinky kebabs, because that's just the thing, how it is. So, you're gonna make them nice and flat. Because you have to see, once they go on the pan, they're gonna lose size. They're gonna lose about 20% of it is fat, so that's gonna render out. So if you make a small kebab from the very beginning, it's gonna be a tiny little puck. So I take 6 ounce, and then we flatten it out. That's a basant kebab. And yeah, oil is nice and ready, because that's exactly what you want to hear. I'm gonna flip the first kebab. Wow, look at this beautiful color. Look at that. That's exactly what you want. We're gonna start taking them out. Look at the size, beautiful, and the color. I'm gonna let them rest on the wax paper so all the extra oil can come out, and then we're gonna plate. This is it, guys. Chapli kebabs are done, and I want you to see the beautiful sear marks on them. And the most important thing is the size. They didn't lose too much size. They're still nice, big, awesome kebabs. The kebabs I like. Now I want to move on to my favorite part. We're gonna plate. This is it, guys. The recipe is complete. The kebabs are done. And the color, the smell, and the size is off the hook. We served it with onion rings and french fries, and the plating is Basant style. Now, before I end this video, I want to say a few things. See, cooking is cooking. Cooking is a template. You follow these different recipes from all these different chefs, and I highly, highly recommend it. If you feel like it's missing something, go for it. Try it. Mix recipes. Try different things. What's the worst that could happen? You might not like it. After third, fourth, fifth try, you will find something that you absolutely love. A recipe that belongs to you. Every single chef, a real chef, always experiments. Don't ever listen to somebody who tells you this is not how it's done and this is how it's done, because that guy is a has-been, because they only follow one line. Be creative. Try something. Have fun with it, because that's what food is all about. Having fun, having a good time, and making things that you love. So without delaying any further, guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. For my favorite part, tasting, I like well done chapli kebabs with lots of lemon. I'm gonna do green chutney, and this is how we eat chapli kebab. Wow. Off the hook. Let me show you that one more time. Basant style.